Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The hour will not occur until two big parties of the Muslims will fight with each other. There will ensue a bloody war between them, though their claim will be the same, and until approximately 30 false Dajjals will appear, each of them asserting he is Allah's apostle, until the knowledge will be withheld. The earthquakes will frequently sweep, the time will be contracted, the strifes will issue forth, killing will be in abundance, and until wealth will be in abundance so much so that it will overflow, until an affluent person will wish that someone should receive his charity, until when someone will be dispensed property, he will say he does not need it, until the people will boast of the skyscrapers, until a man will pass by another man's grave and say, would that I were in his place, and until the sun will rise in the west. So when it will rise and people will see it, they will all believe, but the believing at that time will not benefit anyone that did not believe before or had not earned any good in its belief." Surah Al-An'am, verse 158. While two men will have spread out their clothes, the hour will get established before the completion of the transaction and their wrapping up the clothes. A man will have milked a she camel, the hour will occur before his testing it. A man will lead the animals to water through, but the hour will take place before his watering the cattle. And a man will be raising the morsel to his mouth, the hour will occur before his eating it. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7121.